Hello and welcome back to Busy Pro Fast Wellness. This is the podcast that gives busy professionals quick and effective ways to improve their mental and physical well-being. I'm Alan Welsh, and today we're diving into a powerful tool that can help you sharpen your focus, reduce stress, and even achieve your goals faster. This is visualization. So whether you want to excel in your career, improve your health, or simply get through a busy day with more clarity and less stress, this episode is for you. Firstly, let's shed some light on what visualization is. It's a mental practice where you imagine yourself achieving a specific goal or outcome. It's like daydreaming, but with a purpose. Professional athletes, top executives, and even world leaders use this technique to prepare for success. And the beauty is that it's simple, quick, and you can do it anywhere, which is perfect for the busy professional. When you visualize, your brain actually responds as if you're physically doing the activity. This mental rehearsal primes your brain and body for success. It's a bit like practicing in your mind without lifting a finger. Sounds pretty good, right? So let's delve into the power of visualization. So the key to visualizing is making it as vivid as possible. Imagine your goal in as much detail as you can. For example, if you're aiming for a promotion, see yourself sitting in your office, hear the conversations with your colleagues, and feel total confidence in your actions. The more senses you engage, the more powerful the effect. So let's break this down and practice doing it. Step 1 is find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Step 2 would be to picture your goal. Visualize yourself already achieving it. What do you see? How do you feel? What does success look like to you? Step 3 would be to involve your senses. What can you hear? What can you see? What can you feel? Or even, what can you smell in this moment of success? Step 4 is to stay in this moment. So for about a minute or two, really soak in the positive feelings associated with achieving your goal. Just feel. Soak them in. How does that feel? And that's really it. This is a simple, fast exercise you can do in just 5 minutes. So, how does visualization boost your well-being? Well, you might be thinking, I don't know about this for me. I'm drowning in work and I'm feeling stressed out. Well, visualization isn't just about achieving long-term goals. It's also about helping you reduce anxiety, increase your focus, and stay motivated, which is obviously crucial for those chaotic work days where you sort of feel under pressure and everything's going too fast and things feel cluttered, etc. So this is a brilliant way to try to just stay focused and apart from all of that mess. And when you visualize positive outcomes, your brain releases feel-good chemicals like dopamine, which can give you an instant mood boost. Visualization also shifts your mind away from stress and negative thinking, allowing you to regain control and focus on what matters most. One fascinating approach to visualization that you can also try is the Silva Method. This technique, developed by Jose Silva back in around the 1940s, focuses on tapping into alpha brainwave states, which is when your mind is calm but still alert. Alpha states are when creativity and problem solving flourish, making it the perfect time to practice visualization. Here's a simple Silva Method exercise you can try. 1. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take 3 deep breaths. And with each breath, feel yourself relaxing deeper and deeper. We'll try that together. Two. Once you're in a calm state, start your visualization. Imagine a bright white screen in front of you. This screen is where you'll see your goals coming to life. Three. Visualize your desired outcome clearly on the screen, engaging in all your senses. Picture every detail and feel the emotions that come with achieving this goal. 4. When you're done, open your eyes. Take a deep breath. And carry that positive energy with you throughout the day. Right, so you can use this technique to visualize anything. Finishing a project, closing a deal, and of course, maintaining balance in your personal life. So the beauty of visualization is that it's simple, but like any tool, its power lies in consistency. Try practicing this technique for just 5 minutes each morning before you start your day. It's a quick mental boost that could set the tone for everything that follows. You could pair it up with your existing morning routine, or use it when you're feeling overwhelmed and need a mental reset. But over time, you'll notice a shift in your mindset, in your confidence, and your ability to tackle challenges. Remember, as Napoleon Hill said, what the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Visualization is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to train your mind for success. And the best part? It's fast, it's easy, it's free, and you can do it anywhere. So thanks very much for tuning in to Busy Pro Fast Wellness. I'm Alan Welsh, and I hope you found today's episode both inspiring and practical. If you enjoyed it, be sure to join me next time for more quick and powerful wellness strategies designed for the busy professional. Until then, keep visualizing, keep striving, and remember, small, consistent actions lead to big results. Have a great day and goodbye.